going to introduce you my project Graph Cinema. Graph Cinema is a tool to convert any text to a drawing. It converts natural language text to a excalibur diagram. Here usage is very simple. You just paste your script and then you click one of the two buttons. One button is to create a drawing from the entire script. It will basically convert the whole text into a single diagram. Let's click on it. And you can see that right now my whole text here is converted to shapes and basically nodes and relationships. And in this case, it's not really intuitive because it's just a one line of nodes and edges. Let's use the second option, which is drawing scene by scene. This option will generate basically a excalibur diagram for each sentence in the text. So let's click on it and you can see that for each sentence on the text it will create a new diagram, a new excalibur diagram here. And you can go scene by scene by clicking on these scene texts as well, or you can also go with these buttons below. So it's like a video player and it's a video of basically diagrams, drawings, and you can click on this play button and it will show you 200 words per minute and it will just play your script as a visual way. And let me stop it. And there are some settings. First of all, parsing text to diagram right now uses deterministic algorithm. Deterministic algorithm is actually very simple and very basic, and it's not creating really intuitive diagrams for complex knowledge in the text basically. And I can try to use Gemini AI to generate the text. Let me paste my key here so that I can use Gemini. I will save it, Gemini AI, and here I will try to draw the entire script first. Now it created diagram for this 7th sentence. Desired outcome wants to see Gemini 3 family built applications resulting in fun creative next gen applications. You kinda understand the sentence and knowledge and relations in this sentence, as you can see, and I want to create basically the diagram for the entire script at once. In this case, Gemini will create a bit more intuitive diagram hopefully, and it takes some time because I'm using the free version. So nice, it created a bit more complex chart, and this is a excalibur chart, so you can just play with the text, change the background or change the color or change the stroke, whatever. All the features of excalibur is here. And one more feature I added is this emojify menu item. If you click on this is actually a very simple thing. It just changes certain text with certain emojis, and you can also use your own custom basically local LLM server, and I'm using llama CPP here. Okay, right now it's using this llama server, my local server, and creates a chart. Of course, since this is not that intelligent, it didn't create a really nice drawing for the entire script. But if we try scene by scene, hopefully it might be better. Yeah, a little bit better. Welcome Gemini 3 era. Yeah, it's not too good because it's not a big model. It generates something, but it purely depends on your LLM, how complex is your LLM basically. I can show you one more thing with deterministic rule-based algorithm. Here from the settings you can also change the layout direction. You can change to left to right, and save it. As you can see, the diagram is now left to right. And here of course, if you change something on the diagram, let's say I change the stroke color to green and background to blue, and I go to the other sentence and then come back to my sentence before, and you can see my changes of course are persisted, so you don't lose your changes. And you can use all the functionalities of Xcode. You can export the image, save as PNG or SVG, whatever you like, or you can also save this to your disk as well and use it later. And also words per minute, when you like play the diagrams and show them one by one, you can change the words per minute from here as well. Yeah, this is all the features I would like to show you. Thank you for listening.